Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving literal equations with multiple operations. To understand the equations with multiple operations, let's look at some questions. The first one says solve for v, and we are given the equation v divided by e minus u equals to s. Now let's rewrite the equation v divided by e minus u equals to s. Now the question says solve for v. Whatever variable we have to solve for, that is isolated from the other variables in the equation. Now here we have to isolate v. We start by removing this u from the equation. Now here we see we have a negative u. If we add a u to both sides of the equation, let's see what will happen. On the left hand side, negative u plus u will become 0. So we have done away with our u, and we are left with v divided by e is equals to s plus u. Now here v has a denominator e. That means if we multiply by e on both sides, the denominator will go or v will be left alone. Now here we are having this now. E divided by e becomes 1, and we are left with v equals to e times s plus u. Now this e has to be distributed to both s and u. That is, it has to be multiplied with both s and u. So this becomes v is equals to se plus ue. This is the final answer and can be seen in option A. Let's try the next example. Solve for w, and we are given the equation c minus w divided by k equals to r. Let's write our equation c minus w divided by k equals to r. Now we have to solve for w. That means we have to isolate w from the equation. First, let's rewrite the equation in a different way, but similar to the given equation. We have rearranged the alphabets and we've got this now. Now here we have a positive c. Now in order to remove the c, we will subtract c from both sides. Let's see what happens now. Plus c minus c equals to r minus c. Always remember, the similar operation is to be carried on the right hand side of the equality sign as well. So positive c and negative c becomes 0, and we are left with negative w by k equals to r minus c. Now here let's rewrite it. This can be written as w divided by negative k equals to r minus c. If we multiply the equation with negative k, let's see what happens. Negative k times w over negative k equals to negative k times r minus c. So this negative k cancels with this negative k and becomes 1. W equals to, now we have to apply the distributive property and multiply negative k with r and negative k with negative c. So let's see what happens. Negative k times a positive r is a negative kr. When a negative is multiplied by a negative, we get a positive kc. Let's rearrange this equation. W equals to, we write the positive part first and then the negative, that is kc minus kr. This is the final answer and can be seen in option C. Let's look at the next example. Solve for a, and we're given a minus y over n equals to z. Let's rewrite a minus y over n equals to z. What we need to do is solve for a, that is this variable. We simply take y by n to the other side, or we add y by n to both sides, and this becomes free of y by n. This negative y by n plus y by n becomes 0. A is equal to z plus y divided by n is the answer. This can be seen in option A, which is a correct answer, and it matches to what we have solved. I hope solving literal equations with multiple operations is not a difficult task. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.